Hey everyone, I just wanted to post a quick video of the progress I'm making so far with the sale, setting up the sale that I have this weekend. These are all my Victoria's Secret gift baskets that I've made. There are 32 of them right there. And hopefully I'll make some more. I have tonight, Thursday and Friday to make more. And I have some already set up to finish, so I'll make a video of those too. And this is my display of my jewelry and other handcrafted items that I make. Headbands. I made this display here with the little fairy wands and the little fairies, little village. It's so cute, I think. And those are bookmarks. More bookmarks. And those are push pins for bulletin boards. And those are bracelet helpers. And this is not complete yet. It's still a work in progress. And I made that sale sign. I'm going to put that outside. And these are just this and that. Knickknacks, stuff and such. And there's another shelf made of those. And that cabinet is filled, or will be filled, with Victoria's Secret cosmetic bags. I have several in there now, but needs to be fuller. And let's see, what do I have in here? I have, oh, those are fire starters. Yeah. And then we have this table that's got some of my things on there already, but not quite ready to go. These are compact mirrors. Those are business card cases, and that is a hair clip. Bracelet helpers, more compact mirrors. Bracelet helpers right there. And yeah, that should be fuller tomorrow, the next day and so. And then this is my little case that I have almost filled up, and I'll do that, get that done. And then I have over here a better view of the clothing rack. Just got a few things out of my closet. And then I have this really pretty cart that I'm just gonna dress up with flowers and, you know, kind of pretty it up. And I don't know what I'll do with that. I have some birdhouses that I'm going to put on there too, so I'll probably do a video of that too. So anyway, and then there, those two things right there are some room dividers that I made with a couple of clothing racks. So yeah, I made those for separating the room because I have the back area there for storage and my work area. So let's see. And I think that is all that I can show you so far. Doing a 360 here. And here we go. So I'll do an update as it gets better. Alright, so there we go. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.